Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Himanshu Parashar from Bharat Homeopathy, and today we are going to talk about very important, very sensitive and very misunderstood topic, STDs or sexually transmitted diseases. Whether you are young or older, whether you are sexually active or not, understanding STDs is extremely important for your health, your relationship. In the United States, STDs are increasing at alarming rate. According to CDC, more than 20 million new STD cases occur every year and nearly 1 in 5 American has an STD at a given time. This number is shocking, and you can prevent STD when you are aware of it. See, STDs are sexually transmitted disease. These are infections that spread primarily through sexual contact, including vaginal sex, anal sex, oral sex, skin to skin sexual contact, and exchange of body fluids. But remember, many STDs can also spread without sex, such as from mother to baby during pregnancy or delivery, through shared needles, through infected blood, and even through close skin contact in some infections like HPV herpes. Alright, so let's discuss some common STDs. The first STD is chlamydia. It is the most common STD in Americans under 25. It is caused by bacteria. It often shows no symptoms and is easily treated with antibiotics. The second STD is gonorrhea. It is a bacterial infection and there is an increase in antibiotic resistant cases in US. The third one is syphilis. It is a serious infection that progresses in stages. It can affect brain, eyes, heart if untreated. The fourth one is HIV AIDS, a virus that weakens the immune system, and there is no complete cure yet, but medicines help people live a long life. The fifth one is HPV, human papilloma virus. It is most common viral STD and it causes genital warts and cervical cancer. For HPV, vaccine is available. Now the sixth STD is herpes. It causes painful blisters around the mouth or genitals. There is no cure, but symptoms can be controlled. The seventh one is trichomoniasis. It is caused by parasite and it is very common in women. It shows yellow-green foul smell discharges. The eighth one is hepatitis B. It is hepatitis B. It affects the liver and can spread through sex or blood. Alright, so now let's come to the sign and symptoms of STD. See, symptoms may vary for both male and females. Let's discuss them separately. Symptoms in women: unusual vaginal discharge, yellow, green, milky or foul smelling, pain or burning during urination, pelvic pain or lower abdominal pain, bleeding between periods, painful intercourse, genital itching or burning, sore, ulcer, blisters near genital or mouth, warts around genital area, fever, fatigue in advanced infections. Now talk about symptoms in men: penis discharge like white color, yellow, thick or watery, burning during urination, pain or swelling in testicle, genital sore or blisters, rashes on genital or palms, itching in groin, pain during ejaculation. Okay, so let's come to the what medical test your doctor can advise to diagnose any STDs. They may recommend some tests like urine test for chlamydia, gonorrhea and trichomoniasis. Second one is blood test for HIV, syphilis, hepatitis. Third one is swab test from vagina, cervix, throat, anus or urethra. Fourth one is pap smear for HPV and cervical cancer screening. Now the big question is, how can we protect ourselves from STDs? So you must remember these points. Use condom consistently. Condom reduce most STDs risk significantly. Second, get tested regularly, especially before starting a new relationship. Third, limit number of partner. Fourth one is vaccination. HPV vaccine recommended for both boys and girls aged between 9 to 26 years. Hepatitis B vaccine. Now fifth one is avoid sharing needles. The sixth one is maintain hygiene. Next is communicate openly with your partner. Eighth one is avoid unprotected oral and anal sex. Ninth one is strengthen your immunity. If you are sexually active, regular screening is as important as regular dental checkups. There is no shame in talking about sexual health. Your health is in your hand. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeo Men's Health YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much.